Hello. According to the given question, the A part, so 1 ton, that is 2000 lb, Fe2O3